Top 5 Most Aggressive Sea Creatures. Number 5 Blue Ringed Octopus. One tiny bite from this octopus can deliver enough venom to kill 26 humans. Number 4 Stonefish. Blending perfectly with the seafloor. But if you step on it, those venomous spines will deliver excruciating pain. Number 3 Barracuda. This sharp-toothed predator won't hesitate to defend its space. Number 2 Box Jellyfish. Its tentacles pack a venomous punch, strong enough to cause heart failure in minutes. Number 1 Great White Shark. With its powerful jaws and incredible speed of up to 35 miles per hour. This apex predator is the ultimate hunter you don't want to cross.